So the next process is to begin the sun drying. To hasten the sun drying process, you remove these tubers from the water in the evening, then put everything inside a sack, tie it, put it somewhere to drain the water away. So after removing it, you put it inside a sack like this, and then you squeeze it very well, press it, pile some heavy loads on top like glass, blocks, clothes, overnight. You have to night hasting the sun drying process. So well spread. One day of sun drying. So we pile some blocks on top. This is just to hasten the drying process. You don't have the opportunity to leave it. You want to start drying it in the sun. So after the water has been removed, probably by draining it through some sacks, we use a sack here. This is the sack we use, putting it in this sack, and then we squeeze it very well. We squeeze it to remove the water and drain the water away. Then we pour it out to be sun dried. So we squeeze the tubers into smaller pieces, cutting it into smaller pieces and removing the sticks within out there. So we spread it in the sun like this. 2 days, sometimes 3 days. When you have very high sun and it is well spread, thinly spread, then you can have it dried well, fully dried in 1 day. So you remove anything like stick out of it, spread it out well. So we use some polythene spread to do the sun dry here. If you have hard surface like a cemented surface outside under the sun, then you can use that, let it be clean and spread it, then you pack it in the evening. There's no need for polythene spread like we use here. So for 2 days, when you have good sun, it will be fully dried, ready for grinding to become powder or for storage. And be stored for months before it is going to be consumed if it is fully dried. Now after drying it inside the sun like this, you can go ahead and be doing some other job nearby, but you must watch the weather all along with it, because the rain must not touch it. If it's going to be rainy, then you must be at alert to quickly pack it. Rain must not beat it, otherwise it will spoil. That's only one natural occurrence that you must absolutely avoid. You must not allow rain to beat it during the sun drying process. If rain beats down on it, then it spoils it. It becomes bad cassava flour. It's not going to be okay at all. Rain must not touch it. That's absolute. It must dry under the sun only. And when you are packing it in the evening, if it's not fully dried, you spread it inside the house like this. You don't allow it to be covered. You don't pack it inside a container and put it somewhere at the corner. No, it will get spoiled unless it is fully dried. Once it is not fully dried, you spread it overnight indoors. Then in the morning, you bring it out again and spread it in the sun until it is fully dried. It must not be covered or be kept inside a container. No, it will get spoiled until it is fully dried. And then, until it is fully dried, you watch weather along with it. Rain must not beat it. As soon as rain is coming, you come outside and pack everything immediately. Rain must not touch it. So this is the one of sun drying it. I'll show you as it goes. So this is end of day 1. Sun drying it, day 1. So I want to pack it. This is about 6 p.m. So bring it out again for 2 days, for 1 day more. I hope to sun dry it only for 2 days and then to be well dried. So after 3 days of sun drying, the cassava flour, Lafun, is now ready. It's dried enough so that it's ready for grinding into powder. So we are going to pack it now to a sack. This sack then is going to be preserved in a very dry place until it is needed for final grinding to prepare amala. It's well dried. Well dried. So that is the procedure. I want you to try this, and as you watch this video, continue to like and share. Like the video and share to others so that they can also enjoy it to learn the procedure. If you are my subscriber, thanks for coming. I also encourage you to join this channel as a member so that you can learn more important things to receive exclusive perks. If you haven't been a subscriber, subscribe to the channel. I'd like to hear your comments. How do you prepare cassava flour in your own area? Is the process the same or different? Please comment on this video. Until another time, and where we are going to see. Like and share this video. Like and share the video. Yes, the Lafun is ready. That is cassava flour. Until another time, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.